is your obsession with potatoes?
Well, I can't help it. I like to think of myself a little bit as like a potato. I'm starchy, I'm versatile, and I like to be smothered in butter quite regularly. So, you know.
So, Poppy, clearly you're going to cook with potatoes again. What are you sharing with us now?
So I'm going to show you one of my other viral videos, which got about 3.3 million views. And it's just very simple, crispy Parmigiano potatoes. Like, that's it. It's delicious. So what we're going to do is get a starchy potato like an Idaho or a russet, and all we're going to do is cut it down into lovely chunky cubes. So you're looking at about 1 to 2 centimeters squared, really. So they're going to be, you can see they're lovely.
Yeah, like
and we're going to get them
a nice healthy bite.
a good healthy bite. You're going to get them to cold salted water and bring them up to boil until they're just falling off the knife. Then what we're going to do, I'll put that over here. Here's one I made earlier. Ta-da! What you want to do is when they're ready is drain them into a colander, and then you're going to want to put a tea towel over them. That is going to make it lovely and crispy, and steam dry them and make them delicious. And you're going to get these lovely little white marks on there, and that's the starch coming out, getting it extra delicious. And what I've done is also I've left the skin on there. Again, getting that extra crunch and crispiness.
I agree.
All you could ever want.
Yep.
Whilst I've been doing that, in the oven, in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, I've had a tray with some oil, just a neutral oil, again, like a vegetable oil. So that is smoking hot. Woo, my eyes. Very, very hot tray. And then you're going to get this lovely sizzle when you put these in. Oh,
fabulous.
That's what you want to hear. That's going to help give you that lovely crispy outside. There you go, back into the oven. And you're going to want to turn them maybe 2 or 3 times just to make sure the fat is coating them. They get this lovely outer golden shell. And then eventually you will have ones that look just like this. And what you want to do, throw them into a metal bowl to hear that crunch. And I've got a cup or so of Parmesan or Parmigiano. They go straight on as well, as much as you want. I mean, I like a bit extra. And then some parsley chopped up, and we're going to give them a beautiful toss.
So easy.
So easy, and you can achieve these beautiful, golden, delicious, crispy cubes of potato. Oh. And I just eat them straight out of the bowl because they're too good.
I mean, they're just too good. Exactly.
They're too good. One of the best bits about being in the kitchen is you get to nibble all day with your fingers.
That's
and it's
true.
It is the best way to eat. I agree.
I can't stress, I read a lot of cookbooks, both for joy and for my job. I've seen them in every language, and even in languages I don't speak even food in. But this is truly a beauty.
Thank you.
Thanks, Poppy.
Bye, thank you.